Hello everyone, welcome to my review of the LEGO City Prisoner Transporter. It is set number 7286. Its for ages 5 to 12. It has 173 pieces. Here it is. It comes with one instruction manual, it is very cool set. Here you have the 2 minifigures. Hey! 2 bags. And here we have the one instruction manual. Here we have this. Here we have the first minifigure, the policeman. And here we have the croc with the money. Here we have this piece that is money, a piece of money with a bag, so here you can put it. Here we have the croc hat. Here we have the motorbike of the croc. Here you can put it like this so it stays, but if you want to go like that, you can put this over here. These two things, these two pieces, can let it like this, or you can put it like that, and it can go. Here we have like this. Here we have the transport. It has lots of stickers. Here we have 2 stickers. 1, 2, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stickers. These doors can open, so here can enter the croc. But to sit it over there, you have to put up the head and you have to take off this. So now it can go there inside. But here we have to put him some handcuffs first, and we have over here we have a box with all things. Here we have some handcuffs, like a lantern, flashlight, walkie-talkie, this to put on the policeman to talk louder. So here we can put to the croc handcuffs. So now we open up this. And you can put it over here. then you close it, and here you take the roof off, and there you have the cap. That you can put like this, onto the policeman, the police officer. Yum 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 yum. Well, so the policeman can go here and drive, and if you want more easy access over here and here, you can take off the roof. So there you can put box with all our accessories. So you can put them like this, and then you close it up, and there you go, with the prisoner inside. So there you have it, LEGO City Prisoners Transport Review.